Hi, I'm Rob Wolf. Several years ago, I worked with the Haws Corporation to launch AXION MSR emergency eyewash products. Haws recognized that traditional configurations for irrigating injured eyes were at odds with the protocols used by healthcare professionals. The eye's lacrimal system is nature's way of maintaining sufficient moisture around the eye. Any excess fluids are drained via the lacrimal puncta into the nasal cavity. Traditional eye wash designs can actually sweep contaminants toward the inner corners of the eyes where the lacrimal puncta or ocular surface drains are located. If, for example, a chemical is introduced into the eye, we want to avoid forcing the contaminant into the nasal cavity, where it can be breathed into the lungs or swallowed. Medical professionals irrigate eyes by introducing flushing fluid at the inner corners of the eyes, sweeping contaminants outward and away from the lacrimal puncta. The benefits are obvious. AXION MSR features the only inverted flow eye wash streams specifically designed to operate in concert with standard healthcare protocols. In fact, the MSR in the name stands for Medically Superior Response. In the time since they were launched, AXION MSR products have been very well accepted in commercial applications. They have won prestigious awards and won over specifiers around the world. But because of the bulky design of a traditional commercial eye wash, it's difficult to envision that product in doctors' or dentists' offices, or in labs or other professional business applications. Offices and labs require a more compact product that looks less intimidating, is super easy to use, comfortable for the user, and one that blends into the environment. When we worked on the original AXION design launch, I suggested that Haws adapt the AXION design for office, lab, and possibly even consumer home use. I'm delighted to announce the launch of just such a product, the AXION iPOD.
The AXION iPOD is the latest in faucet-mounted eye wash designs. Its sleek shape is both attractive and functional. It blends into any environment, yet stands ready to activate at a moment's notice. The unobtrusive AXION iPOD mounts easily in place of most faucets' screw-on aerator screen. When the stylish logo faces up, the iPOD is internally valved to send water through it for use as a normal faucet. Water exits via iPod's built-in aerator. Simply rotating the front half of the iPod a half turn brings the AXION design eye wash ports to the top portion. This action automatically revalves the iPod internally, routing the water flow up through the eye wash ports for a comfortable, effective irrigation. Importantly, every iPod is equipped with an integral safety thermostat. In the event that water temperatures exceed 95 degrees Fahrenheit, the thermostat closes, diverting all water flow out of the bottom of the iPod, mimicking normal sink faucet operation. When the thermostat cools, regular eye wash function is restored. This patent-pending feature mitigates the risk of someone accidentally attempting to irrigate their eyes with hot water. The AXION iPOD is a sleek faucet-mounted eye wash that provides all of the benefits of AXION design for use in medical and professional settings, as well as schools, and even at home for do-it-yourselfers and hobbyists. The patented AXION water streams provide not only an easy-to-use and ideal response, but a superior solution for applications that in the past had limited options, if any.
As excited as I was when we launched the original commercial AXION products, I'm even more excited about the AXION iPOD. Its unique design allows a more comfortable, less messy eye irrigation alternative for the office and lab. And it's also an ideal way to provide at-home irrigation for do-it-yourselfers or allergy sufferers. The AXION iPOD, a logical extension of a great idea.